About to get started with hosting or having a dedicated server for my website, and also hosting web services for people. So I'm about to get started with building my dedicated server. So I've just got these server rack which I just bought. They are installed with these Keystone patch panels, and the 4 turbo fans, and just right at the back here I've got 2 multi-sockets. It's about 8 feet tall, so I'm just going to walk you through the entire process of setting up a server. So if you want to start hosting web services yourself, set up a server and all the components and the modules that you're going to need, the specification. I'm going to share everything with you so you can get started hosting web services yourself. I've got the second one. I'm going to take you out there. That one is in my conservatory right now. This is going to be standing right here at the corner, just somewhere here. And the cable is going to be running just right there, just to the back of this server rack. And let me take you to see the one outside. Well, not really outside, it's in the conservatory, and there's an access to the server rack from all sides. It has a transparent door just right there, and also 4 turbo fans there, and that's the power cable. It's also about 8 feet tall, but not really outside. It's in the conservatory, and there's an access to the server rack from all sides. It has a transparent door just right there, and also 4 turbo fans there, and that's the power cable. It's also about 8 feet tall. I'm going to be filling everything up in about a week. I'm going to show you all the nitty-gritty, every detail, so that you don't miss anything out when you're about to start your own. I'm not going to hide any information from you. And got keys on every side, so you can come to it from the front, from the side, and also from the back as well. It has a transparent door which I'm going to install shortly, and you're going to see that. And these are the side doors, and you can have entry to the rack from any side. It seems like this is upside down. I'm just coupling the rack now, but I'm still going to remove it when I'm about to start putting in the server, because I'm going to need full access into the rack itself. So these upside down, and okay, let's do it from this side. Alright, that's in there. I've got this. Alright, that's in there. And I've got a spare key here for the server. Start this up. There we go. There's a hook right down there, and this adjustable hook on this side. Right, that's in there as well. And there you go. You can take the spare key to lock up. And the last one. There you go.